I'll show you how to set up two-factor authentication on Crypto.com. Firstly, launch the Crypto.com app on your device and tap on the settings icon in the top left corner. Scroll down and select two-factor authentication. Ensure that Enable two-factor authentication is checked. Now, you have to download and install an authenticator app such as Google Authenticator or Authy. Open Google Authenticator and use the QR code to enter the secured key manually. Now, copy the authentication token from your Authenticator app and go back to the Crypto.com app and pass the code into the verification field. Then click Continue. Once verified, you'll see a confirmation that two-factor authentication has been successfully enabled. Tap on Anywhere to continue. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.